Will using cake flour in cookies make them lighter and more tender?
Hey there, cookie enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode of Baking with ChatGPT. Today, we're diving into a common question. Will using cake flour in cookies make them lighter and more tender? Let's uncover the secrets behind this baking dilemma.
Understanding cake flour.
Before we explore the effects of cake flour on cookies, let's first understand what cake flour actually is. Cake flour is a finely milled flour that is known for its low protein content. It is typically made from soft wheat varieties, which contain less gluten-forming proteins compared to all-purpose flour or bread flour.
The role of gluten.
To understand how cake flour impacts cookies, we need to grasp the role of gluten in baking. Gluten is a protein that forms when wheat flour mixes with liquid and is subsequently manipulated through mixing or kneading. Gluten development contributes to the structure and texture of baked goods.
Lightness and tenderness.
Now, the big question: does using cake flour make cookies lighter and more tender? The answer is a resounding yes. The low protein content in cake flour translates to less gluten formation when making cookies. This results in a more tender and delicate texture.
The science behind it.
Here's a closer look at the science. The low protein content in cake flour inhibits gluten development, leading to less elasticity in the dough. This means that cookies made with cake flour will have a more delicate crumb and a softer bite.
Other considerations.
While cake flour can certainly contribute to lighter and more tender cookies, it's important to note that the type of cookie you want to achieve also plays a role. Some cookies, like chewy chocolate chip cookies, benefit from the slightly higher protein content in all-purpose flour or bread flour. So, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. And there you have it, cookie lovers! Using cake flour in your cookie recipes can indeed make them lighter and more tender. The lower protein content reduces gluten development, resulting in a delicate and soft texture. However, keep in mind that the desired outcome may vary depending on the type of cookie you're baking. So don't be afraid to experiment and find the perfect flour for your favorite cookie recipe. Happy baking!